4 games. 5 to go. D5, he switches it up. Doesn't want to allow the Trompovsky anymore. CD. It's really the Carlsbad the way to go when you're trailing by 3 games. Sorry, 4 games. I don't know about that. Knight f8, huh? Yeah, I don't know what to do here. Castles cannot be too wrong. If he goes for the plan with g6, I suppose I'm happy to go f3. Ah, this is the one now. Bishop. Yeah, this is a decent setup. I don't know why I went queen c2. It looks pretty normal, but I suppose concretely it just loses a tempo and facilitates. Should I take or should I go? Do some. I'll take it. e4. I was just going to, yeah, it facilitates g6, which he probably wants to do anyway. But I think what he did now was quite dubious. So e5, c5, thinking f4. Yeah, I like it. Knight b5 is always an issue. So he just goes f5 immediately. Don't really know how to judge these positions after f4. I feel like with the better bishop I should be doing fairly well, but I don't think I should take an f6, so don't have much choice anyway. I suppose he's quite okay. But he has to figure out how to go c5. If he goes a6, preventing knight b5, I would have gone for let me see, knight a4 and then b4. That's what I was going to say. Knight a4 threatening b6, and if not b5, then I go b4 and I have some kind of a clamp. So I guess I should take. Go back. He takes an a2. Okay, let's not rock the boat unnecessarily. I'm going knight b to c3 next, then b3, and I feel like that break should give me a definite initiative. b4 is a funny option here, going for the rook trap after he moves his after he takes on b5. So queen b4 is possible, but I go queen e3, b3 next, cannot be prevented, and he will probably just have to retreat. So I don't think that queen move is going to pay dividends. And I think in very short time the positional superiority of my position will be quite evident. Queen e7, I go b4 and I win b5. I need to speed up, obviously. I spend way too much time talking nonsense. Oh, he can take. You can take on d4, but still rook d1, not much better. So d5 is hanging. And after he takes, I have pretty good control over the dark squares. Yeah, next just h3. Keep it simple, take b5, still d4 is not an issue. Yeah, knight d6, if it goes d4 I'm just gonna chop it off. Keeping it simple. b5. Yeah, he could have gone b7, that was a better try, but it doesn't matter, he's completely lost. He's gonna resign probably. Okay,